Hello, welcome to my vlog Dubai My Way. My name is Alicia if you're watching first time, and welcome to my vlog. Today's episode is all about the cost living in Dubai. So how much we spend to just be here, work here and live in Dubai. So stay tuned. So the first thing you'll be looking when you move to Dubai is the place to live. So you've got lots of options here. You've got apartments, you've got villa, you've got houses, you can name it. It's everything here. Whatever you dream, you can find here. It's all about the price. So the prices actually for the properties really rised up, really rised up. So for example, the apartment in Dubai downtown last year in September, the price was 100,000 dirhams per year. The same apartment right now in February 2023, 180,000 dirhams. So the prices for the properties went really high. So that's the idea was the cost. So this is the cost for the 2-bedroom apartment in downtown, very close to Fountain, Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall, so just the center. So you can find similar places, villas, but they're gonna be in distance like 20, 35, 45 minutes driving by car. But you need to do the research because it's changing right now at the moment. The market is still rising up. So when you're here as a tourist, you're only allowed to rent the apartment for a month. So you have to pay monthly for the apartment, which is always higher cost than paying per year. But on tourist visa, this is the only option you have at the moment, paying monthly for the apartment. So when you've got your visa, you can start your research for the long term, rent properties for a year. And the payment depends on agency, depends on the owner, could be 2 checks, 3 checks, or whatever you agree. That could be the deal with the agency or the owner itself. And you've got the contract with landlord for the apartment. You have to sorted out Ijari, so this is the certificate you are living in this property, and the cost is about 150 to 100 dirhams. We sorted out last year, so that's the price. I don't know if they rise up or not, but probably it's gonna be similar. So the next cost for the apartment: water, electricity and gas. We actually don't have gas in our apartment. It's not installed, so we're using only electricity and water, and the cost per month is around 800 dirhams. Cost for the internet and landline depends on your option, could be around 300 to 400 dirhams per month. We've got 2 phones, mobile phones, with very high internet level in our package, so the cost is around 200 to 350 dirhams per month. So next cost, the car. If you've got the car, the insurance usually is 10% of the value of the car, and petrol for the car is around 150 to 150, one full tank. If you're with family, with kids, and they go to school, that's gonna be very costly, I must say. School in Dubai, all school for expats are private, so you have to pay for the education for our kids. So this is huge investment in Dubai, and starts from 65,000 dirhams per academic year to could be even 80,000 dirhams, or even 90,000 dirhams per academic year. And again, you can pay in 1, 2, 3, 4 installments. Usually they ask you to just write down the checks for them, but you can have some deal with the school as well. So if you got more than one kid, it's gonna be very pricey. By shopping, this is another one. So comparing the last year, the prices rised up. So last year, usually we do like a weekly shopping, the big weekly shopping, and that was the cost last year. That was about 200, 300, sometimes 400, but that wasn't very often. But this year is more like 400, 500, sometimes 600 dirhams per shopping, if it's including like the washing machine powder, some hygienic stuff, things you buy not that very often. So but without, it's just the food, probably 300, 400 dirhams. We cook at home, so we mostly just buy the fresh ingredients. So if you're more interested and you prefer like a ready meals, that cost is gonna be much higher. Or if you're gonna be eating outside in restaurants or coffee shops or stuff like that, that's gonna be, you need to add up as well. Also, to begin, is the visa. So you can start as a tourist visa, depends on the country, it could be 1 month, 3 months. That's, you need to check in your country how it works. For example, for UK is just 1 month visa. For people from Europe is 3 months. You can renew your visa, but the rules changing very quickly. They are different than last year. So people were surprised because they actually just came back from their country because they thought this is the way to renew the visa, and they said, oh, not anymore. So the best is to just check in the very source how it actually works and what they advise you. I leave the link and information for the immigration center just in the comment below the video, so you can contact with them, you can call them or email them and give you all the information you need. Not that any trouble in here. So I think that's all the information about the cost in Dubai. Quite pricey, I must say. And if you're interested about anything more, maybe I didn't cover everything. I think I did, but if I missed something, please you can leave the comment below this video, ask some questions. Also, you can join the group Dubai My Way on Facebook, where you can feel free to ask questions as well and enjoy all the subjects we touch in this group. And if you're thinking about moving in Dubai, we can help you as well. I know lots of people here who are very loyal, very trustworthy, real people, actually, real people, because there are lots of scammers here, unfortunately, believe or not, in here. So if you need any contact for the people we actually know, and we can 100% recommend to you to sort it out the visa, sort it out to make the expansion to your business here, we can help you. Because right now, Dubai is only 50% what they actually planning to have in here. In 2021, in I think it was March or April, so that was still full pandemic in Europe. In here, they actually signed up the project for Dubai 2040. So they're gonna be built much more. This is just half of the project they actually have in their mind. So this place will need everything, much more things. So if you're thinking about moving in Dubai and you need more information, more details, you can contact me and I'm sure I can help you. I know the right people here. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Click the notification bell to never miss any content from my channel, and I'm here to answer all your questions and help you. So if you have anything, just leave the comment below and join the group on Facebook. Thank you and see you on the next episode.